Hello everyone, it's still your girl Benny of Real Benny's Kitchen. How are you all doing? Because I'm doing great here. If you have been following me, I say thank you so very much. If you are new here, please subscribe, keep liking and keep sharing. So today we are preparing carrot chin chin, crunchy carrot chin chin. On the table I have what it takes for this our carrot chin chin. I have my carrots here, butter, cinnamon, milk, salt, baking powder, nutmeg, sugar, flavor, vanilla, then egg. Then the flour is in here. So first of all, before we start, I will cut the carrots and then blend before I start mixing. We have to cut the carrot into small chunks so it will blend very smooth, so that you don't have any lump of carrots in the chin chin. I'm using 3 carrots here because they are tiny, but if they are a bit big you can use 2. And again, it depends on the quantity of flour you are using, because we are just using 500 grams, which is 3 cups. So I'll add the carrots in the blender. I'll add the milk in the blender. Then I'll crack in 1 egg that we are using in the blender. Then we blend. So I'm blending the egg, the milk and the carrot in here. So I'm done blending, then I can start mixing the flour. So we are going to use 3 cups of flour, which is equivalent to 500 grams. So I'll sieve in the 3 cups of flour now because of ants and any particles that might be in the bag of flour. So we are good to go. I'll add the butter, sugar, pinch of salt, baking powder, nutmeg, and then so I'm adding the cinnamon now. Then flavor, I'm using vanilla. You can use any flavor you want to use, like a teaspoon will be okay. So I'll rub everything to combine very, very well. It should not be like breadcrumbs. You have to combine very well so you don't have some lumps in it. See what we have now. So after doing this, we make a well at the middle, then pour in the blended carrot, milk and egg. Combine very well until a dough is formed. All the flour has to rub in. If you want to do more, all you need to do is to adjust the measurements I'll leave below. You can either fry this or bake it, any one that suits you, you do. So guys, this is after 10 minutes the dough has rested. So I'll now flour my work surface. We roll out, then we cut. I'll share it into two. Roll one part first, then roll the other later. Then you get a tray and put some flour on it so that when you cut, it won't stick into it. This is my rolling pin. So see what I've rolled. It's not too thin, it's not too thick, but it depends on how you want yours to be. I just like mine to be like this. So I'll cut. You can use your knife or you can use your pizza cutter to cut. Depends on how fast you are with it. So you cut like this until you are done. So we are done cutting. Now scatter everything and put on the tray. If you don't have a rolling pin, you can get a clean bottle and use to roll your dough. So guys, I'm done cutting. The heat is on and I poured some oil in the pan to be hot. So I'll pour in the cut chin chin now and allow to fry. You don't really have timing for this. When it is golden brown, you know they are okay and you bring them out. Please, if you are yet to like my video, please like it, watch it, subscribe if you haven't subscribed. So guys, see what we have here. The color is changing, so you keep stirring and get your sieve with a paper towel ready to pour them in so the extra oil can drain out. You can make this festive season for your friends and family. So I'll bring them out now, then start with the other batch. You can see how fine looking they are. Try this and let me know what you think in the comment section. So guys, I'm done. See our beautiful crunchy carrot chin chin. Good for this festive season for friends and family. It's so crunchy. Please try yours. I'll see you in my next video. Bye bye.